Hi everyone, so I'm just going to be going over the classwork from June 3rd. It's a similarity lesson, basically stating, whether triangles are similar and if they are, how to correctly indicate that mathematically. So what I want you guys to do first is to watch these two YouTube videos and take some detailed notes and send me those notes so I know you guys watched them. Then after that, I want you guys to do these problems here. So I've assigned these 1 through 6. I think I'll just go over maybe the first 2 or so. Yeah, I'll go over the first 2. So let's see. Alright, so first problem here. Looking at the directions of this, what it says is that it says state if the triangles within each pair are similar. If so, state how you know they're similar and complete the similarity statement. So I'm really just going to do state if the triangles are similar, and I'm going to complete the similarity statement. Because I didn't really go over a lot of the explanation stuff. Okay, so great. So basically, are these two triangles similar? It says triangle UTS, so that's UTS. Is that similar to triangle, well, is a triangle to this triangle, UDE or UED? Basically, if that's true, this side here would have to be proportional to either this side or this side. I guess since they're both 16, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to say this side. And then, let's switch colors. This side here would have to be proportional to this side here. So if you set up our proportionality statement, we should get a true statement. So is 40 divided by 16. 40 over 16. Is that equal to, a little question mark, is that equal to 39 divided by 16. And I feel like for this, you can kind of get an intuitive sense, well, 40 divided by 16 can't possibly be equal to 39 divided by 16. So this one I just want you guys to put not similar. Because these two sides didn't end up, they can't be proportional because you'll get a different number for both these fractions. So for 1, that's all I want you guys to put. I just want you to put not similar. So now we'll try out this next one. We have CBA is similar to this triangle over here. So first things first, I'm just going to grab a screenshot of it. Let's figure out if these two triangles are indeed similar. So first, let's label our corresponding sides, or at least the sides that will be proportional to each other. So first off, I would say that the longest side, this 84 here, would be proportional to this side, the 14. Now, this bottom side, the 48, would be proportional to the 8 here. And then the last one, this 72, would be proportional to the 12. Let's just figure out if these statements are indeed proportional. So is, versus, I'm going to do big to small, is 72 divided by 12, is that equal to, 84 divided by 14? And is that equal to 48 divided by 8? So we should get the same thing for all of these. So let's see if that's indeed true. So 72 divided by 12. What goes into both 72 and 12? I think a factor of 12 will go into both of them. Pretty sure, at least. Well, a factor of 6 goes into both of them, so let's try that. So what's 72 divided by 6? That'll give you 12. So I'm dividing 72 divided by 6 gives you 12. And then 12 divided by 6 gives you 2, so this ends up giving you 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6 over 1, which is just 6. So then 84 divided by 14. 84 and 14, there's a 7 in 14. Is there a 7 in? Yeah. So if you divide both these by 7, 84 divided by 7 will give you 12. 14 divided by 7 will give you 2. So this also gives you 6. And then 48 divided by 8, that just equals 6. So Jack 6, 6, 6, all these work. So yes, they are similar. So I'm going to say similar. You can write that in, similar. And now all we got to do is just got to make sure that we actually write the correct statement. So CBA, we have to put it in the correct order. So they started with C. Does C match G, H, or F? And it'll match F. So we have to say triangle CBA is similar to triangle F. And now we got to keep going in the right order. So they just said C, then B. B is right here, so that corresponds to G. F, G, and then there's one left, there's H. So F, G, H. So triangle CBA is similar to triangle FGH, and we said that they were similar when we completed the statement.